watching me?
Hold on, Slimmers. Yeah, fully active.
How is it, Maddie?
Yeah. Passing Duns River Falls now. Wagwan now, as in what's up, how are you? But in Jamaica, we give a little patois talk. Wagwan now. As you can see, it's a nice and lovely and beautiful day in Jamaica, you know what I mean? Yeah man, right now, Mommy Bay heading to Falmouth. Yeah, I have 4 guests down there staying at a hotel, so I'm gonna go for them and bring them up here to Ochrias and let them full jar themselves, yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, in a real life man. So I think they say they want to do ATV, they want to do rafting, they want to do tubing, a lot of things they want to do, and Sunrise Boss gonna make it happen. You know them way they say if you're forward a Jamaica and want a good tour guide, just link Sunrise Boss. Yardman style we deal with, you know what I mean? Yeah, we go with the locals them there. We chill with the locals. That's what I do on my channel, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so just check for the number or the email address. If there's somewhere around some corner, just find it and send me an email or a WhatsApp text or even call me. Anything, just feel free to do it. So I just have to pick up the guests them and just bring them up and make them have a good time, and I just have to share it to them as me subscribe and make them see what I go on. And also for the guests them, the video will always remain on the channel, so that gonna be a remembrance for them, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so just big up on yourself. Me just go and show a little driving, go down, because I don't know my style. Me always showing a little driving, you know what I mean? So me just showing 1 and 2 driving a wagwan and now going down. Oh, Jamaica nice and beautiful. You know what I mean? Look how the place clean and nice. Yeah. So now watch what them say about Jamaica. Book your plane ticket and link Sunrise Boss. Me come pick you up at the airport. My Airbnb don't finish yet, but me find Airbnb put you in a real life. Look at lumber. 2 before, lot 2 6. Whole heap of different code where I don't even know the name or remember the name. But you know where you know my peeps, me reach Chilani, Falmouth. Yeah man, me there in a hometown. Yeah man, hometown boss. Yeah man, me there in a hometown man, me just have to pick up this and come out, you know what I mean? Yeah man, me not stand too long in your hometown. But I pass your hometown and pick up some guests. You know what I think go? But look for lumber. Good day. Right now I'm gonna take some of them. Hips. The other side. Bro, in a hotel me going. Yeah, man, see there. Bro, in a hotel. Yeah, man, they have the hotel that we around here, so I want part there. See it, so pick up the guests them here now, fully active. Speed bump, speed bump. You wanna work on the road to see hotel weird and so. Think when you see me come on already, you know, I come on maybe around 3 times already. Yeah man, the whole heap of work are going over here. The whole heap of work, I'm active. Reach the hotel now. I just call them and let them know that I'm at the gate there, so I should give them 10 minutes because the inside finishing up something, so as soon as they finish they're gonna call me and I'm gonna pick them up at the lobby. So I just do it at the gate and I'm gonna ease back a little, wait upon them call, then I'm going for them. Make it on the property and now. You know, make it on the property and now I'm gonna pick up the guests then. Over here look good. Although I come and stop out at the gate, but now the first me forward over here. So I guess I go round and go round and go round. That's how we're gonna do it. Yeah, man, over here pretty. Go round and go round and then should be right up here. Yeah, please make it back up a White River here now. So, you know, so them touring are gonna start, but I pick up some things at the supermarket first and then we do road. Yeah, make a stop as we just saw White River, so them just say whatever them can get. And then we're gonna head on to the rafting. But we think we're gonna do the ATV first, then the rafting after. Make it out of the supermarket to get some snacks and stuff. Yeah, man. Leave the supermarket. Make sure I'm forward now up our river. You know what I mean, right to the bridge there, cause we're gonna bring them to go do the ATV. So we just make them a stop and use the river for a bit. Yeah, we can see whole heap of cooking going on, a yardman style. Cook this up, cook this up, cook this up. Whole heap of cooking. See, river nice. So it's her birthday? It's her birthday? Yes. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, you see it. It's pretty. So I'm gonna make them dip them foot, wet them foot, or if they want to swim, then get a swim. And then we move to the bike, to the ATV, you see? Yeah, man. The water pretty and nice. Pretty and nice. Yeah, 4 guests may have a tour. Oh, she wanna get in. Spot is there where you can get in. Birthday girl gonna go for a rope swing.
Yeah, 2 is on standby, 2 is going in the water. Yeah, and this time wait till she go out, then she let go.
Right here?
Yeah. Yeah.
I do it like that, son?
Yeah, you good. She going again.
There you go.
No, when you go at the Spanish bridge, if you want, you can do this at the Spanish bridge. Yeah, wait till you go way out before you let go. Yeah, yeah, that's how you want to job. Yeah, you did it. That's how you want to job.
Jason, today's our birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Yeah, picture time.
Fully active.
Yeah, fully active. Yeah, peeps. She get love it. Yeah, she get love it. So we're gonna line up here now and head on again to see if we can reach up at the ATV. Yeah, reach what am I do the ATV, you know, you see? Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna try to see if I can catch it.
Whoa.
Yeah, it smells sweet. I do got the water.
Uh-huh.
See? Some Jamaican apple. Yeah, you can wash it off. And then we can start. We're gonna dig in it.
Birthday girl, take the
just,
first
just
bite.
use a finger and open it.
Okay.
Yeah, use a finger, take off the top, yeah. Or you can dig off the whole top first. Yeah, pluck off, yeah, take off the whole of here.
Yeah, that part.
So you can sink your finger deep.
You can't put your finger.
Yeah, you're not afraid,
Cut
you know,
this off?
just open it. You're gonna open it wide. Inside it, it have a big seed in it, so you're gonna open it.
Like that.
Yeah. And then split it open now. Yeah.
You need that for your TikTok.
Yeah, the great Jamaican apple.
I got my nails. I don't know.
I can open up my
She don't get it?
How you have to open up this?
Just squeeze. You squeeze it to the hand, yeah. So it's open.
You got it, man. You already have it.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is supposed to throw it. That's the seed, and you can eat everything else. Yeah, that's supposed to throw it. And all these is the food.
Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome. How is it?
Good.
Yeah, that's the Jamaican apple. This is our tradition apple, original Jamaican apple. Yeah. Like how you have an American apple, that round apple, well this is Jamaican apple.
I didn't expect it to be white.
Oh.
So you can eat the skin and all?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, you can eat the skin. Because when we eat it, we just wash it off. Sometimes we don't even wash it off. We just climb a tree and start to eat it.
Where's another fruit we can get off?
I don't know. I'm going to look and see if no more fruit is around. Oh, that jackfruit. I don't know. It look like somebody bring it there. You know fruits though. You know jackfruit.
You said you know the jackfruit?
Yeah, peeps. So I pick a couple more so them can have it. I want a good old apple.
The texture is even different.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's more tender than a regular apple.
Yeah. Be all harder.
Then you try and get it all up the cheek.
Ready?
Yeah.
You just don't eat the apple. She go find a jackfruit somewhere down there. So the jackfruit tree, and now she come up with it and say her birthday gift she just go find. So she a try to open it yardman style. Cause me no have no knife, me no have no cutlass, so she a beat it with a rock. So let's see. Yeah, see the bikes they're coming. Yeah man, bikes are coming in. She gone somewhere else. I think maybe we gotta help her.
Hit it. Hit it down. Smash it.
I try to, let's see, try the bus here so instead of the middle. Yeah, I see like it, but stamp it. Yeah, stamp it on it and see if it's gonna pop it.
Matt, he said take it. Take it up and hit it up and down.
Yeah. Yeah, like this.
Oh, like that.
Yeah. See, and then you can tear open.
It's open.
Yeah.
Do it again. Yeah. Step one more down. Step more down. There you
Y'all just watching me.
There it is.
But it's gonna look so sad. She's doing it to get jackfruit to eat, but I don't think no jackfruit is inside it because it's young. So it fall off the tree and stand there till it dry up. So right now it don't ripe, a dry up, inside dry. So no food is gonna be inside, see?
It looks cool though.
Okay.
It's like what's I forgot it's called. like no, she's
Okay, alright, like forget it to open more, you see? Turn it on the side now, and you're gonna edge, yeah, you're gonna edge it like here, so. So I bust, you're gonna bust it open now.
like this.
No, you said turn it sideways.
Oh, like this.
Yeah.
Get it on there. That sounds like a good move.
Yeah. It's open. Okay, y'all.
He said it's still young, so it's really not.
Yeah, well, she find little food. This is one that can eat. Yeah, she finding food in it, but it don't have a lot. See, she find a jackfruit. Yeah, that's a jackfruit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Gonna get it, Nanny? Just get the yellow stuff. Is it good?
It's sweet.
Sweet. You said it's sweet?
Yeah.
I've never tasted the jackfruit. I just see the vegans using it all the time.
Kind of remind me of like a milder pineapple.
Oh, okay. Y'all really need chocolate pills.
Right? I know.
Oh, now say he come your friend.
Who?
Your little cousin.
Us. Mommy. And then go. Go in there.
Twist it. See if I can get it out there.
But you wouldn't eat that goat.
Right. Eat it straight from. She didn't ask me to eat the goat. It looks like mango.
It's nice.
Doesn't really have a smell.
Yeah, it have a scent, but it's nice.
Madison, he don't want that. He wants some jerk chicken. Or pork chop.
Yeah.
Now, how do it tastes like a mild pineapple? And they be making spaghetti and all type of stuff. You ever
They
seen
gotta
those videos?
season it with something. Yeah, it takes. I think they said it takes something like.
The dog don't eat
His friend
jackfruit.
You're probably the only person that can talk to him all day.
Well, you know, you taste it? You taste it yet? She taste it?
Did you taste the
Did you taste
jackfruit?
it yet?
No, I actually you taste, and she's working hard, and I'm noticing. I know she don't taste it.
She probably just want to peel it open.
I
That was
did.
a piece. That's a nice piece.
Who got water from the hands?
What? Oh, I
Okay,
dropped
okay.
it.
Oh, I got a
Hold on. Somebody hold this, please. Like, give me a good old. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
You might need that a little bit later.
I might even go drink it.
That is
Wait,
a good old piece.
She deserve it. She's been
Work hard.
working.
Oh,
Yeah, that's just the seed.
gotta pull it.
Yeah, I have to pull it from the root.
Mommy, don't bring me into it.
I'm gonna give you a piece too.
Oh. Go ahead, figure. We want to record you again.
I feel like bananas.
Tastes like bananas to you? You don't like it?
No, and she don't like banana.
But it's okay, I will still kill it.
So she had peel it, peeps, and when she tastes it, she's like, no, it tastes like banana. I know why, because it's well ripe. You see, if it was more solid,
It tastes different.
yeah, it tastes different and the peg will come out more firm.
Oh, okay.
But when it overripe, I love it, but when it overripe, I don't like it.
These for you, Mommy. Need it?
I don't want it. I thought it was a bigger piece.
It actually really takes off.
It do taste like a banana.
So you threw it with too?
It tastes like bananas though. Well, the American version of a banana. I don't know what a real banana is supposed to taste like.
What do you mean American banana?
Because like real bananas are like small, not like the ones that we have at the grocery store. That's a good piece.
Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Ooh.
She's just gonna play with stuff. Madison loves slime. This is right up her alley.
Yes, so they are wait pan the ride and now people see the bike them so good we have push out next year now. So that we are wait pan in a real life cause that take up time, man. Hold on, Slimmers. Walk one now. Walk one now. big driver. Yeah, man. This active man. Full joy yourself. You see, boss, then just stop and check on them. You know what I mean? See if everything active. And I count again to see. Walk one. But so I'm guessing another one. Then gone left me cause one Benz in the front me I drive. Cause I can't pro box. I first me see a pro box drive so slow, boss, have no problem under there. You don't want to buy back nothing. You know, man, I swear you can't tell a man how to drive them thing, you see it. Boy, boss, I drive it like a Benz, you better believe it. You know them way there? Yeah, man. I reach a Spanish bridge now. Jesus, peace, we finally reach. Yo, man, I tell you, yeah, man. Watch out, look at how I go on. Look at man I drive. Just go down now and look up at all. Yo, man, I say, Benz, man I drive, yeah, man. Believe me, man. Reach Spanish bridge now. Pretty and nice. Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Reach Spanish bridge now, peeps. You say water pretty and nice. Yeah, man, no coloring there in a real life story. See master, yeah?
Let go.
No, yeah, he come in and then he cut the speed. We say ain't doing that.
Let go.
No, yeah, you're gonna let go out there.
And fall in the water.
Yeah.
Nothing.
But when he go way out there, he coming back and he go again and he coming back and he go and then he cut the speed. He don't just jump one go. Yeah.
for the moon, racing for the stars, gunning for the sun. They keep on chasing at a shadow, not an easy act to follow, even when my time on earth is done. They'll turn the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. Keep the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. We'll leave the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. Until the night's gone, the night's gone. Them lights on for me. They keep on fighting me, but I'm strong like a lion. Be strong, be strong. Victory is sweeter when iron sharpen iron, so be strong, be strong. Sticks and stones may break these bones. Some say that I don't belong here, but Jah one can judge me. Though they hate me, though they love me, it's the ego that keep leading them wrong. But they'll turn the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. Keep the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. We'll leave the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. Until the night's gone, the night's gone. The lights on for me. Oh, I'm shining bright like a diamond piece. Burning soul and the world can see it. My greatness for granted, mistaken my kindness to think I'm weak. Cause all of the wood disguise as sheep. The vampires are sinking deep. It's been coldest years we don't sleep. So it's harvest time and they want come reap. I pay the dues, you see the shoes. Check out the scars, you see the bruise. This faculty left me with wounds, but I'm still sailing. I'm mighty and I'm brave. I've stand against the grain, and when the curtains down, they are below my legs. And turn the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. Keep the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. We'll leave the lights on, the lights on, the lights on for me. Until the night's gone, the night's gone. Keep them lights on for me. Keep the lights on, keep the lights on, keep the lights on. Leave the lights on, leave the lights on, leave the lights on. Until the night's gone, until the night's gone, until the night's gone. Until the night's gone, until the night's gone, until the night's gone.
She probably don't want to drop. Somebody know.
Down, right here. Take your leg up. You're welcome.
Hey, no, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. I'm not doing nothing.
I went twice without you. There you go. A lot better, right?
I said finally reaching back down now. Where's my guest? That's one. Let me know say them in it. Yes, one more. Yes, alright. All of my guests them good. And every guest good, so it's a good look. Fully active. Having fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
You put out your phone quick.
Yeah, man, I pull out my
Happy
phone
13th
quick.
birthday, Madison. I hope you're having fun. Sunrise is the best.
Yeah, man, Yardman tour.
Yardman style.
Yeah, peeps, going to the next activity, you know. Yeah, we reached the Calypso rafting and tube, you know. So, we don't know if no rafting available, but we're gonna see what going for the tubing.
I do too. I think I'm gonna use a big board, yeah.
So we say gonna do the tubing? Gonna work with the tube?
If they have one raft and then two, yeah. And then we'll two. If they have one raft.
Okay. Where's the boss lady? Okay. She says she can assist you the one raft and two
She said
tube.
what?
Yeah, you can get the one raft.
One raft, yeah. Then two can raft and then we'll two.
Heading to rafting, you know. Reach a rafting the right time. Close. Rafting, close up. Close the rafting, close off, you know. So the last set I guess them here. So notice I just one raft up on the water. So they're gonna use the raft and they're gonna use the tubing. Yeah, they're gonna use the tubing. And they're gonna use the raft, so we're going down. Yeah, fully active.
Come this way, people.
Huh?
Can I leave this with you?
Yeah, no problem.
Baby,
Water cool.
Don't worry about the thing, about the thing, about everything.
The guy up there with the raft is stuck.
I know.
The raft is stuck. Look like you can't go nowhere. He gonna pull it. You see by chew him tight and it down here, the water pressure coming down, keep on swing it. So the rope get extra tight. Yeah, he's trying to cut it. What? Nah, work. Boss, I set up the raft right now. We move with this set, I guess, got one set gone already. Gone from the tubing. Next set going with the raft. Down here, so already, guess them a come stop. See? Yeah, man. Calypso rafting. Right there, say end peeps. All of them raft there, you know, so over there are the local part where you can just come and you go under the bridge and you book. But to be honest, I don't like put me guess them with the local part. Why? Because over there too unruly. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. More time than this, I charge some price and I have no mercy. So you see, in time I book with Calypso rafting at one price them charge in a real life. So the guests them go forward from up that side. Yeah, man. Two raft them do one. Why them could get two raft? All of them raft here them come down this morning. Calypso rafting them, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All of them rafting here have to go back up. So what them do, them use a chuck and the chuck come right in this and just pick them up and carry them back up. And then just raft and chew come back down the river. Yardman style. Yeah, man, fully active, man. You know, one sunrise bar still Calypso rafting and wait for me. Guess them forward on the river. So just remember, you know, if you are forward at Jamaica, you want me to pick you up at the airport. Yeah, man. Can pick you up and find a Airbnb for you same way. Just check me if you are forward at Jamaica. I book a Airbnb for you. come pick you up at the airport and me tour you for just one fee, you know what I mean? Yeah man, a real life man. Calypso rafting and tubing. Yeah man. Make sure you forward at Jamaica and check it out. Yo, you know how much video me give Calypso rafting? Yo, you know how much video me give them? Yo, them need to go give me a talk. Yo, them need to give me a talk. Me just there up on the riverside and now sit down and go and full jar myself. You see, pray. Yeah man, from morning, busy out there doing the work. We end up got the ATV and it take a time before ferry trip ready, and when the trip ready, they will spend at least 2 hours to 3 hours out there at the river and riding up and down, and you know what I mean? Then rafting. Then we have to do the horseback riding. So I don't even know if I get to do the horseback riding this evening, or maybe you'll see that in our next video. I want to introduce them to my river cooking, you know what I mean? Actually, as I see, one of the guests, how much this make what? First, second, I think at the third time she forward at Jamaica. She always link me up. 2 times we cook on the river. This time she has said she forward with her daughter and her mother-in-law and I think her sister-in-law. Yeah man, so she has said them not really want to do no cooking, them just want some activity. So I see me can change their mind to do some cooking before them leave, you know what I mean? So subscribe to the channel. As soon as them forward down the river, I'm gonna let you see. See, as I tell you earlier on, that's how they get it back up. Yeah man, see the chuck, yeah? Chuck forward. Last trick this, you know. So the chuck can make sure you keep up everything you know. Yardman style. Yeah man, one of me now I don't think so. Yeah, man. This a chuck you come like it, I bring up the tube them and then after the rafting. One set of tube up the river come down to, you know, Jenna. One set of tube come down to. Boy, some show them on. Yeah, man, fully active, man. So them get them up back, both the tube and the raft. Guess they're coming now. Both the raft and the tube.
Just say same thing to Jabba.
How was it? Oh.
It was good. We enjoyed it.
Yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed. Fully active. Yeah. How was it? How was it? How was it?
Did a great job.
How the birthday going so far?
Huh?
How your birthday going so far? Having fun? Okay.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, peeps. Truck load up and thing, so everything active. Just stop at KFC, bucket chicken. So now them gonna try out Jamaican KFC and make them know what go on. Yep. How is it?
Delicious.
Yes, you start eat the chicken as yet?
What?
You start eat the chicken?
Not yet.
Oh. Somebody on the back said it tastes good. Huh? Okay, yeah.
How is it, Maddie?
That's Jamaican KFC, man. Everybody talk about it. You see why they talk about it now? Is it nice? Everything. Finger licking good. Yeah, bye, cousin. How was the Jamaican KFC? How was the KFC?
Jamaican KFC.
Oh, amazing. Delicious. Delicious.
And see, we don't need no honey.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we don't need.
But it can give it a step up.
Okay.
That's for your dog.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you got remember the cup.
Thank you.
All right, we got everything. Take care.
Text me if we love something.
Okay, all right, no problem.
Jason, have a good night.
All right, same to you. Yes, please let them off now. Everything good. Time to go home. Best.